Hi dear friends, this is Nicole. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare deep fried salmon or salmon no karage. And also I'm going to show you how to prepare same style sardines or any other type of fish that it's suitable for deep frying. I have here salmon and sardines. So please stay with me to see the ingredients and the way to prepare it. For this I prepared 600 grams of fresh salmon. I checked first for bones. Remove any bones if there are. Wash the salmon and gently pat it dry with some kitchen towels. Then we are going to have to marinate it. To marinate the salmon, I'm going to use some salt. Just a little bit because I'm going to use also some soy sauce, which is salty. Some black pepper. You can also use some chili flakes or chili paste if you want it a little bit spicy. I'm going to add here 4 garlic cloves grated and a knob of ginger also grated. A little bit of soy sauce. And a little bit of sesame oil, but that's optional. Also, if you have any marinade that you like, you can use it. Sometimes I use this kind of marinade, not necessarily this one, but it's garlic based one. Also, you can add some sake and mirin. Now I'm going to gently mix everything together and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. After marinating the fish for at least 30 minutes, in a different dish, add 3-4 tablespoons of flour. And 1 or 2 tablespoons of potato starch or corn starch. If you don't have, it's okay. You don't have to. The starch will just make it crispier, but it's okay without it too. Now mix everything together. And take each piece of salmon and lightly dust it with flour. Remove the excess and put it aside. I finished dusting the salmon with flour, and because I have some marinade left, and it happened that I have some sardines today, I'm going to marinate those too. I was willing to just simply fry it, but the smell of this marinade, it's too good, so I thought why not? And these two I'm going to dust with flour and just fry them later. Okay, so now that I finished dusting all the salmon with flour, I'm going to prepare a frying pan with hot oil. The oil looks hot, so now I'm going to start frying the fish for 3-4 minutes. After 3-4 minutes, remove on kitchen towels so we can absorb the excess of oil. And continue until you finish all your salmon. It's indeed a very easy and delicious recipe. Please give it a try. I have finished frying the salmon. Now I'm going to arrange it on a dish. And some parsley. So here it is, salmon no karage, or deep fried salmon. It's ready to be served. In case you're wondering if this can be done with different kind of fish, of course it can. Any fish that is suitable for deep frying can be used. And here I have the sardines I fried together with the salmon. It turned out beautifully. I am going to serve this with a garlic sauce, or a sauce made of a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of white vinegar. Also, for the karage, you can serve it with some salad, a bowl of miso soup, and freshly cooked rice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Bye!